What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we got a special surprise for you guys. Something new for the channel, something new for me, something I've never owned, but as you could probably guess, we got the trailer on the back hooked up and we're about to go pick up a car. Now, I've been thinking about getting a party car. Actually, not for that long. A good deal popped up, and you gotta get the good deals. I'm not gonna say anything right now until we get the car, but I'm on my way on the highway right now, about to go grab this car. So I'll see you guys when we get it. Alright guys, so we're home. I got the car yesterday. The trip back took a little while, and I got home late and it was a little too dark to film. So you guys get to see the car today when it's bright and shiny out. And I won't keep you guys waiting any longer. Here's the car. Alright guys, so this is the car. It's a 1996 E36 with a couple goodies in it. First off, disclaimer, this is not supposed to be a clean car. This car is trashed, thrashed, and that's exactly what I'm going to do to it. So, don't mind the little patina everywhere. But this is going to be my party car. This is just going to be strictly for bashing tandems and not really caring, because it passes tech and it's a ripper. It's got some power. So I guess we'll start at the back. You know, we got a little flavor there. It's kind of broken, trunk rusting out, and that's really it for the back end. I mean, it's fully gutted. I got a charger in here right now because the battery's bad, but it's fully gutted except for like the stuff you see on top. The floor was routed out, and then they put this self-tapered sheet metal there. So one of the projects is going to be to weld that in. Obviously no door panels. Gotta fix that spot. But, you know, might change the steering wheel. I don't really like the steering wheel. Gotta get another passenger seat. Got a full 6-point cage, because it doesn't have the intrusion bars, which is perfectly fine for any track around me. Good old door bars, NASCAR style, like the real boys. And yeah. The interior is pretty simple. I forget what chassis mount shifter that is, but then it's got a hydro. Now, because the cage is so high, again, I didn't do this cage, I did the cage in the Z, but this cage is so high that you can't put a top on it at all. So this is basically a top down, speakers blasting, door bashing car. But the best thing about it, well, actually, before we get to the best thing about it, it's got some angle mods. I have a bunch of spare tires for it, a bunch of spare parts for it. But let's see if you can see. It doesn't have the extended arms, but it has the tie rod relocation kit, which feels pretty good. I really got to slide it to know, but as you can see, there's some things hiding under there. So pull these hood pins off, and this is one of the main reasons I bought this car, because otherwise, I mean, I could have bought any other ordinary E36, but we got a good old Turbski on it. This is a M52 stock block, stock everything. It's an iron block, but the turbo kit, I think it's like an eBay turbo kit. Yeah, I don't know what, if anybody can tell me anything about that turbo, that'd be great, but also not sure what manifold it has on it, but it seems like it's pretty good. It doesn't seem like it's like some cheap cast stuff. No name wastegate on it, I'm pretty sure. But so the only issue that I have to fix with this, with the turbo setup, once you get it under boost and like, I don't know, high amount of boost, because I didn't look at the gauge, but the ICV pops out of the intake. I don't know if I can get my phone in here to show it. I'll probably film me taking the intake manifold off or modifying that, because there's not much information on how to modify those, except for like in really old forms. So when I modify that, I'll be sure to show you guys. Glass headlights, which is crazy. Not really mounted that good, but yeah. I gotta mount the other one here. I do have the extra kidney for it, you know, hood pins, the usual, but this is the main reason I bought the car. And fenders are whooped. I would like to put over fenders on it. We'll see how nice I treat this car. I might just bash it, or I have some other ideas for the car. Maybe I'll make it nice and do something else about it. I won't say it until it's actually going to be true, but stay tuned and watch the videos and you might find out. But yeah, overall, I mean, it's pretty simple. It's kind of like your grassroots hero type of car. Still got a valve cover in there, battery's trashed. I mean, it's got these aftermarket taillights too that I have no clue what brand they are, but it's got this weird like L light in them and then a bar here. But yeah, so far I have ideas for this car, but I don't necessarily know if I'm going to go through with them or how I'm going to treat the car. So what I want to do is, since I can't fit normal headlights like the back of the housing here, I might get LED bars with RGB around them, to make it like a true party car, and then put this headlight in, you know, put the other kidney in, and you know, kind of make it, you know, fun. That's the whole point of this car. That's the whole reason why I bought this car, is just to thrash with friends and not care about the car, but have a lot of fun while I'm doing it. As you guys probably seen earlier, I got the wideband and the boost gauge in here. Now I'm thinking that that's a Condor. I don't know. I don't remember what chassis mount shifter that is. Let me know in the comments below. I'm pretty sure this is an eBay Hydro. I might switch this up just to handle, because it does lock up the rear, so there's no reason to change it if it's not broken. But yeah, it's a fairly decent car. I mean, it's got like one speaker in it, I think, and a radio from like 2002 in it, but it should do everything I need it to do. So this will be the next build for the channel. I don't know what exactly is going to go on with it or how everything's going to play out, but let me know in the comments if you like it, and we'll keep the content coming. Sorry I've been slow on the content. For some people that know, I do have some health stuff going on, but that's really nothing. So I'll try and knock out this car and get to ripping. But there's the 2 rippers. That car makes this car look so good. Also, update on the carnage from the drift event up at Evergreen. So one of my bolts fell out of the top. Well, the bolt that fell out of the top that connects it to from the knuckle to the upper control arm while I was pulling it on the trailer, and I debeaded a wheel, or debeaded a tire. Other than that, the car ran fucking great. I have no complaints about this car at all. I did knock the bumper off coming off the trailer, but that's no big deal. That's an easy fix. Couple zip ties, but yeah. So please like, please comment, please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like the potential of this build. Might have some really good surprises for you guys later, so stay up to date, turn the notification bell on, and we'll see you guys next time. See ya!